ready for my birthday sleepover dream night. Ooh, Monica, we never done one of these before. So, Monica, what is it about exactly? Oh, it's where we sleep in the same bed and we dream together. And in honor of my birthday and our 7th anniversary of Doki Literature Club, I thought it would be something special for all of us. Wow, that actually sounds like a lot of fun. Oh, we're not going to invite Peach and the others? Nah, Peach actually had plans with Rosalina and Daisy and Isabel and Peachette. And also Mario is busy taking care of Bingo and whatever, so it's just gonna be us tonight. Oh, cool! To the dream fort! Ooh, a fort! Wow, Monica, you really outdid yourself. Ooh, this is nice. Good night, Yuri, maiden of mystery. Good night, Natsuki, the lover of manga. Good night, Sayori, the girl who is in love with the sheep. And good night to me, Monika. Sweet dreams, everybody. Huh, that's weird. Hey, can someone go get the light? Okay, I'll go get it. Sweet dreams, everybody. Cupcakes! Huh? Whoa, did you guys hear that? I thought I heard a noise. Did you? Yeah, I heard a noise. Yuri, did you hear a noise? I did hear a noise. Hey, did you hear a noise? Oh. Oh well, must have been a dream then, but we weren't even halfway asleep yet. Yeah, I have to agree on Sayori on that one, Monika. Well, let's just try to go back to sleep and maybe we won't hear it again. All right, lights out. Oh, yeah, you're gonna have to go get the light again. Oh, okay. All right, everybody, let's try to go back to sleep. Sweet dreams. Huh? There it is again. Where's what again? That noise, it sounds like... Oh, that noise. Well, we're gonna have to follow the advice my mother used to say. Just sleep and ignore it. Sweet dreams, ladies. Okay. If you say so. Ugh! Enough already! Okay, this is starting to get kind of annoying. Now I'm getting frustrated. Yuri? I am so sorry, ladies. I had to turn the light back on. I am not falling asleep until we figure out what the heck that noise is. We can't sleep. And if we can't sleep, we can't dream. And then if we can't dream, we can't have sleepover dream night. Hey, Monika, it's okay. No, it's okay. I'm fine. Big woman, don't cry. We just need to figure out where that noise is coming from. Let's get out of the fort, ladies. Oh, okay. All right, ladies. We will not rest until we find out what that noise is. But we will eventually get to go to sleep and have our sleepover dream night. That is exactly true, Sayori. Until we find that noise. Does anybody have a plan of what we can do? Well, I would say we should look around the house and see where the noise is coming from. Yeah, but what can we use to listen to it very good so we can find it? I think I might have an idea. I wonder if the noise is over here. Hang on, let me listen. Well, it's not coming over here, but it sounds like it's heading over there. I'll go check it out, girls. No, wait, Natsuki, wait. She's too far away. But I think I heard the noise over here. Sounds like it's coming from down there. Now, hold on, Monika. I think the noise is coming from under the bed. You know, sometimes noises can happen under the bed. it's more further in. Oh, ladies. I think the noise is coming from on top of the bed.
5 useless minutes later. Now, can we please stop that sound, please?
So, did you girls find the noise? No, we didn't. Wait, if the noise isn't... It must be one of us. Natsuki, why would you say that? I don't know. Just, we're all together, and the noise always happens when we're together. So it must be one of us. Oh, come on, guys. You must be making up stuff. Monika, you don't understand. I want to go to sleep and have our sleepover dream night. Yeah, I had to agree on Natsuki on that one, Monika. Oh, come on, guys. We've been trying so hard to get rid of that noise. You know what, Monika? I think I'm gonna leave. I'm terribly sorry. Yeah, you know what? I'm leaving too. I'm going back to Wooly. And you know what? I'm gonna go make cupcakes for myself. Goodbye. Oh, man. Hey, they might have been right. The noise stopped. Yay! The noise stopped! Oh my god! I was making the noise! And if I want to get some sleep, I'm gonna have to knock myself out! Huh? Whoa. Huh? Monika, are you okay? Wait, you guys are still here? Of course we were still here, Monika. Huh. What just happened now? I think once we fell asleep, we must have managed to pass off the noise. Yeah, and we were all sleeping in the same bed. Maybe it was just a dream. I gotta say, the sleepover dream night was a lot of fun. Thank you, Monika. Uh-huh. Thanks, girls. I'm just glad that noise is gone. Oh, now I know what the noise was. It was my stupid jump scare self letting us know that breakfast is ready. That's what it makes that noise. It sounds like a rubber chicken. That's because it is a rubber chicken. Well, I guess I gotta say, I think we had a good sleepover dream night. Hey, I'm sorry for the argument in our dream. No, it's okay, Natsuki. Hey guys, I just realized today's my birthday. Happy birthday, Monika. Now, it's not gonna be like 2 years ago, right? Oh, don't worry, Sayori. It's not gonna be like 2 years ago. Hey, not only that also is my birthday, it's also the 7th anniversary of Doki Literature Club. Oh, yeah. Wow, 7 years. Where did time go? You know what? For all the fans out there, I think I'm going to sing my song, Your Reality. Ooh, I love this song. Ooh, me too. It actually is pretty good. Go ahead, Monika. Sing it away. Okie dokie.
Every day I imagine a future where I can be with you. In my hand is a pen that will write a poem of me and you. The ink flows down into a dark puddle. Just move your hand right the way into his heart. What an endless world of infinite choices. What will it take just to find that special day? What will it take just to find that special day? Have I found everybody a fun assignment to do today? When you're here, everything that we do is fun for them anyway. When I can't even read my own feelings, what good are words when a smile says it all? pen, only write better words for those who are dear to me. Is it love if I take you, or is it love if I set you free? Thing flows down into a dark puddle. How can I write love into reality if I can't hear the sound of your heartbeat? What do you call love in your reality? And in your reality, if I don't know how to love you, I'll leave you be.
Thank you for watching, everybody. That was great, Monika. I can't believe you sang that song about 7 years ago. Yeah, it is crazy. Oh, Mario never appeared in this episode. Actually, none of the Mario characters did, or Animal Crossing. Not even Princess Hannah. Oh my god, it was just us this episode. Okay, what does Mario say? Oh, right. Alright, guys, well, I guess that wraps up this episode, so thanks for watching. Thank you for continuing to support the series overall, including our video game series, Doki Doki Literature Club. So I don't know when the next episode of YGG plus Mario Adventures will be out, but I know for one fact, everybody will be back. But yeah, last 2 episodes in October. Do you girls have anything to say? No, just continue to stay happy. Have a lovely day. I know it's kind of raining right now, but hey, rain is actually pretty peaceful. See you guys next time. So, Monika, what the heck are we going to do about that jump scare self of you? I think I'm going to try to delete her. See you guys next time.